Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Edge tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to disable hardware acceleration in Edge. This is actually quite simple. To do this, I first open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to Settings. Here I switch to System and Performance in the sidebar on the left, and under Use Graphics Acceleration when available, I find the setting I need. Here I flip the switch, and now I have to restart Microsoft Edge once. And when Edge has restarted, I can see that the hardware acceleration is now disabled. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.